If you want to work efficiently in Microsoft Project, then you're going to want to know a selection of keyboard shortcuts to help you move around your project plan quickly. And the good news is, if you are already a Microsoft user, as in you are used to using applications like Excel, PowerPoint, or maybe even Word, many of the keyboard shortcuts that you already know and love in those applications are exactly the same in Project. So things like Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste, Control-X to cut, Control-S to save. All of these are exactly the same. Now, of course, there are some differences, and some that are very specific to Project only. And in general, what you'll find is that you'll probably have 10 to 15 keyboard shortcuts memorized, and you will use them all the time. I'm a huge fan of keyboard shortcuts because I find they really do speed up